5 beauty tips for your skin, hair and nails. 1. Exfoliate your skin. Starting with the first of 5 beauty tips, exfoliate a minimum of 3 times per week. Once per day is even better, especially if your skin is excessively dry. The exfoliation process removes dead layers of skin cells and gives your fresh, moist skin underneath a chance to breathe, as well as letting moisturizer absorb better afterward. Your skin's oil glands cannot reach the outer, dead layers of skin, so it's best to exfoliate and allow the oils to naturally hydrate the living skin cells. 2. Moisturize and protect your nails. For dry, brittle nails, rub petroleum jelly or a thick cream into your nails to hold moisture around and under your nails. If you do this at bedtime, slip a pair of thin cotton gloves on your hands before you to sleep. Wear vinyl gloves every time you wash dishes or do other household tasks that require you to immerse your hands in water. Vinyl is best, because people with nail problems tend to have skin that is sensitive to rubber, and avoid polish removers that contain acetone or formaldehyde. They're terribly drying to nails. Use acetate-based removers instead. 3. Avoid skin destroyers. Eliminate these 3 unhealthy habits: smoking, tanning salons and sunbathing. While some sunlight is okay, be sure to wear SPF and avoid prolonged time in the sun. Doctors agree that all 3 of these factors can be extremely harmful to your skin and have secondary effects that could become potentially life-threatening. 4. Put eggs in your hair. Yes, eggs. Mix 1 egg with a small amount of shampoo, apply to your hair for 5 minutes, and rinse well. This shampoo omelette helps to feed the protein in your hair. 5. Wash your face with natural products. For our last beauty tip, clean your face and neck with a natural cold cream and follow with a rose water glycerin rinse twice a day to remove skin-damaging pollutants.